And in other news, Serbian officials continue to make it clear that they will not allow extradition of Miladin Kovacevic to face justice in the U.S. And tonight we have an interview with the founder of a Facebook website entitled Do Not Extradite Miladin Kovacevic. Filip Filipi is a Canadian citizen who is of both Serbian and Italian extraction. You'll be hearing him give his reasons why he believes that Kovacevic should not be brought back to the U.S., reasons which stem in part from a foreigner's perceptions of American misbehavior abroad. Fox 40's Jacqueline Kane reports.
The founder of the Do Not Extradite Miladin Kovacevic Facebook group makes claims that conflict with police reports. He argues that people should look beyond what U.S. officials and the media say.
What I want people to know is that they shouldn't believe everything they hear on the news. Just like there wasn't any weapons of mass destruction in Iraq, maybe Serbia isn't bad like the news claims they are.
Filipi points out that U.S. involvement during the Serbian war has left painful memories among his countrymen.
Some of the actions by the American government is very resentful. For example, when they bombed Serbia and bombed hospitals, like I'm sure America would resent any country that bombed their hospitals and their schools.
But he says he separates past conflicts from the Kovacevic issue.
No, this is a specific case.
He also has issues with name-calling in the American media.
Right away it was like Serbian thug. You know what I mean? Like imagine somebody else did that was African American and they were like black thug or Jewish thug or Chinese thug, you know what I mean? Or like Hispanic thug. Like how's that even relevant to what he did?
Filipi doesn't believe that Miladin Kovacevic should be extradited.
This is a double standard. America doesn't extradite its citizens. We're no better or no worse than Americans, so why should we extradite our citizens?
Filipi, like Kovacevic, doesn't believe in the U.S. justice system.
When you look at the way America has tried other foreign citizens, like, for example, like in the case of Guantanamo Bay, where they've been there for like 6 years with like no lawyer, like, it's hard to believe that he would get a fair trial in the States.
But Filipi wants Kovacevic to face justice, but in his native country.
If in fact, and I don't think this is true, if he beat this kid to a coma for absolutely no reason, the kid was there dancing and then Kovacevic came and grabbed him and kicked him in the head until he beat him to coma, I think he should go to jail for the rest of his life. He can sit in a cell in Serbia for the rest of his life.
In Binghamton, Jacqueline Kane, Fox 40 News, 1st at 10.